Prince Harry's emotional journey took a deeply personal and public turn when he broke down in court, overwhelmed by a sense of betrayal and isolation. The moment marked a pivotal point in an already turbulent period in his life, as he found himself without the support he had once assumed would be unwavering, especially from his own father, King Charles. The courtroom, a place meant to deliver justice, became instead a stage for raw emotion, unresolved family tensions, and the painful consequences of royal duty clashing with personal truth. The case itself was emblematic of Prince Harry's ongoing battle against the British media and the institutions that, in his view, have failed to protect him and his family. Taking legal action against major media outlets, Harry has consistently voiced his grievances over privacy invasions, misinformation, and character attacks. This lawsuit represented not just a legal struggle but a broader effort to reclaim his narrative. Yet, standing alone in court, without the symbolic or literal support of his royal father, made the moment particularly heartbreaking. As cameras captured his visible distress, it became clear this was more than a legal matter, it was a personal reckoning. Observers noted that what hurt Prince Harry most was not just the media's relentless attacks, but the silence from the palace. Traditionally, the royal family maintains a policy of never complain, never explain, a strategy intended to rise above scandal. However, in recent years, Harry has questioned whether this silence amounts to complicity. The fact that King Charles chose not to defend his son in court, nor issue a public statement of support, was taken by many as a sign of a deep and painful rift between father and son. For Harry, who has spoken openly about his struggles with mental health and feelings of abandonment, the lack of support was both symbolic and deeply personal. The emotional breakdown in court was not a moment of weakness but one of overwhelming humanity. It underscored the immense pressure Harry has been under for years, from his mother's tragic death to his departure from royal life, and now the complex battle for truth and vindication. Despite his efforts to build a new life in America with Meghan Markle and their children, the emotional ties to his past remain strong and often haunting. The courtroom tears weren't just about legal proceedings, they were about family, legacy, and the longing for understanding. In the end, Prince Harry's appearance in court and his visible emotion served as a powerful reminder that beneath the titles and ceremonies are real people with complex relationships, wounds, and desires. His vulnerability, laid bare before the world, speaks to a man who no longer wishes to hide behind palace walls but rather confronts the world head-on, no matter the cost. The absence of his father's support only deepens the tragedy of this royal conflict, leaving many to wonder if reconciliation is possible or if the emotional distance is now too great to bridge.